In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable video autoplay on Pinterest. If moving images keep grabbing your attention or eating up your data, turning off autoplay is a quick way to make your feed calmer and your browser lighter. I'll walk you through it from the Pinterest homepage to the exact switch you need and share a few tips so you know what to expect once it's off. Start on the Pinterest website. Make sure you're on the main Pinterest home screen in your browser and that you're signed in to the account you want to adjust. We'll begin by opening your account settings. Look to the lower left corner of the Pinterest interface. You'll see the control that opens your account options there. Click that to reveal the menu. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This takes you into the area where Pinterest groups all your personal preferences. Give it a second to load. You should see a sidebar of categories on the left and the detailed options on the right. Next, select Social Permissions from the list. This section controls how Pinterest behaves in social contexts and how certain media plays as you browse. It's the right place to manage anything that automatically starts playing while you scroll. Inside Social Permissions, locate the option related to video autoplay. Pinterest may highlight this control visually so it stands out among the other switches. Click the highlighted control to turn autoplay off. When it's disabled, videos in your feed will stay paused until you choose to play them. This is especially helpful if you're multitasking, want a quieter browsing experience, or prefer to save bandwidth on a metered connection. After changing the autoplay setting, look for the Save button on the page. Click Save to confirm the change. Saving ensures your preference is stored and will carry over the next time you visit Pinterest on the web. Once saved, return to your feed and scroll a bit. You should notice videos no longer start on their own. Instead, they'll wait for you to interact. If you ever want to reverse this, come back to the same Social Permissions area and toggle the autoplay option back on, then save again. A quick note. Settings may update over time and labels can shift slightly, but the path, opening settings, going to social permissions, switching off video autoplay, and saving remains the same. That's all there is to it. You've disabled video autoplay on Pinterest, giving you a more focused, quieter browsing experience whenever you need it.